video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a folder on the Scenarios page. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and what to watch out for so you delete the right folder with confidence. First, go to the Scenarios page. This is the central place where your scenario folders and items are organized. If you're already signed in and working elsewhere in the app, look for the navigation or sidebar that lists your main areas and choose Scenarios. Once you're there, take a moment to get oriented. You should see a list or grid of folders. Confirm you're in the correct workspace or project area so you don't remove something from the wrong place. Next, find the specific folder you want to remove, and click the three dots on that folder. This three-dot icon, sometimes called the More Options menu, usually appears on the right side of the folder row or inside the folder tile. If you don't see it immediately, hover your mouse over the folder name and it should appear. Before you click, double-check the folder name and any visible details, like a short description or who last updated it, to make sure it's truly the one you intend to delete. From the menu that opens, click Delete Folder. This option may be grouped with other actions like rename or move, but be sure to choose Delete Folder specifically. Keep in mind that deleting a folder typically removes everything inside it. If your team shares access, remember that this action can affect others who rely on the contents, so proceed thoughtfully. If you don't see the delete option, you may not have permission to remove that folder. In that case, contact an administrator or someone with the right access. Finally, confirm. A confirmation prompt will appear asking you to verify that you want to permanently delete the folder. Read the message carefully so you understand the impact, especially if the deletion cannot be undone. When you're certain, approve the action in the prompt. The folder will be removed from the Scenarios page, and the list will update to reflect that change. That's it. You went to the Scenarios page, clicked the three dots on the folder, chose Delete Folder, and confirmed. Taking a few seconds to verify the folder details before you confirm helps prevent accidental deletions. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any part of this guide if you want to review these steps while you work.